Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn 30 useful English sentences that teachers and students use every day. This video will help you speak better English at school, whether you're a student or a teacher. And don't worry, we've added Urdu translations to make learning super easy. So grab a notebook, listen carefully, and start practicing. Group 1, Teacher Sentences. 1. Good morning, students. 2. Please sit down. 3. Open your books. 4. Let's start the lesson. 5. Pay attention, please. Group 2, Teacher Sentences. 6. Repeat after me. 7. Don't talk in the class. 8. Raise your hand to speak. 9. Do you understand? 10. Any questions? Group 3, Teacher Sentences. 11. Read this aloud. 12. Write it down. 13. Don't be late tomorrow. 14. Time is up. 15. Submit your homework. Group 4, Student Sentences. 16. Good morning, teacher. 17. May I come in? 18. I'm sorry I'm late. 19. Can I go to the washroom? 20. I didn't understand. Group 5, Student Sentences. 21. Can you please repeat? 22. May I ask a question? 23. I forgot my book. 24. I've done my homework. 25. I'll try again. Group 6, Student Sentences. 26. Please check my work. 27. What does this word mean? 28. Can I help you, teacher? 29. May I go home early today? 30. Thank you, teacher. Great job! You've just learned 30 useful classroom sentences in English and Urdu. Practice these daily to speak confidently at school. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.